Hello, English language learners. I'm excited to begin part 2 in our consonant sound series. So today I would like us to focus on a group of consonants that are formed in our mouth using our lips, tongue, and teeth. So I feel these are the easiest to focus on first because they're very visible. Tongue, teeth, lips, you can see what's happening. So the first category is called, the bilabial consonants. So this is where we're using both lips, two lips, bilabial. So this has two sounds, and as we learned last week, there's voiced and voiceless. So we know if we touch here and you feel a vibration, that's voiced. Okay, so the voiced bilabial sound that I will begin with is b, 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 b. I feel it. So b as in boy. There is a voiceless counterpart, which is the the P sound. Okay, so that is in pale. Okay, so, and as you probably noticed, both of those sounds are using both lips. It's p, p. So all I'm doing is changing here. Am I using vibration of my vocal cords, or am I just using air? P. Good. The next category is what they call labiodental. So that means we've got one lip and we've got our teeth. So it's the top teeth and bottom lip. So I'll first give you the voiced sound, which is going to be the v, v. I feel it here, v. V as in van. The voiceless counterpart is f, f, the F sound. So we have van, fan. Okay. Next category, last one we're going to do today, is the dental category. So this is where you stick your tongue between your top and bottom teeth. So, and this may feel funny for some of you who don't have this in your native language. It may feel weird for you to stick out your tongue, but this is correct. This is how we make this sound in English. If you don't do it, you're not going to hit that sound correctly. And again, there's a voiced and voiceless pair. And unfortunately, in English, these are usually spelled the same. It's that TH sound. So the voiced TH is as in this, that. And then the voiceless sound is, again, same articulation, tongue is sticking out between my teeth. Think, 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 think. Okay? So let me just kind of go through all the sounds again. Practice, 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 right? So let's start with the bilabials, the two lips. Okay, so how about the example words ban, pan. Ben, pen. Okay, did you hear the difference between the vibrating sound and the very breathy sound with air? Next, let's do the labiodentals. Van, fan. vendor, fender. Okay, let's go to the dental sounds. Than, this. Think, think. Okay, let's keep going. Now I want to just focus on one sound and do a bunch of drills with you. I know sometimes, it just depends on your native language. Some people have trouble with the V sound. Okay? So we're gonna do victory, very, vine. Okay? Let's contrast that with the voiceless sound. Fun, fine, friend. Okay, let's do the THs. I know those can be very tricky. So let's start with the voiced. Thus, that, there, the. Okay, and we know the is a very common word, so let's make sure we stick out our tongue and we have the vibration, the. Okay, let's do the voiceless sounds. The spelling on these words is particularly tricky. Thought, through, thorough. I'll do that one more time. Thought, through, thorough. Okay, and so for those THs, I know, again, it feels weird for some of you to stick out your tongue. I am doing it. It's very slight, but it does need to happen in order to get that. Okay,